Hello, good evening my dear students. Welcome back to Joshi Tutorials. You see, in the last video I had completed up to 7th May. Exercise number 1.2 for State CBSE and 5.2 for Basic CBSE, in which up to 7th term I have completed 7th May. Now this is what is the 8th May. So here what the 8th May question says, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. You see, first of all you have to read the question once. If you understood, it's fine, otherwise go for again one more time. At least twice you read the question and understand what is given and what to find. You see, for example, here what is given, there are 50 terms in an AP. We don't know what is exactly the AP, the sequence is not given over here. See the solution. Let me write first what is given. So there are 50 terms, means what? I have told you n indicates or represents number of terms. That means n is equal to 50. There are 50 terms. Now out of which the third term is 12. They have given the third term. That means A3. A3 is 12. And the last term is 106. Last term you can take it as L is equal to An, which is equal to 106, and you have to find what is A29. So the question mark is 29th term you have to find. I have told you already, to find any term you need A and you need D. Here is A given? No. Is D given? No. A is also not known. D is also not known. That means we have to first find what is A and next you have to find what is D. When you know both, then go for A29. Okay, fine. See here, A50, AN. You know what is the AN formula? Can anyone remember? Okay, see here, what is AN formula? AN stands for nth term. We can call this as nth term formula. This may be for 1 mark objective. I have told you already. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So what is AN here? AN is 106. Okay, this is 106. Which is equal to, what is A? We don't know. Is A given? No, we don't know. Okay, plus. What is N? There are 50 terms. Understood? The last term means what? 50th term it is. Understood? So here 106. AN value only they have given. So suppose for your clarification I will write here 50 terms, so this is A50. Next step we can substitute. A50, A plus N is 50 minus 1 D as it is. We don't know. Okay, now here A50 is how much? 106 is equal to A, we don't know. Plus 50 minus 1 is 49D. D is also not known. A is also not known. Let it be. Okay, so let this be here. Equation 1. Now we will go for here. Here you see here what they have given, A3. A3 can be written as what? A plus 2D. What is A3? 12 is equal to A plus 2D. Right? Okay, here what I write? 12 minus 2D is equal to A. Is it okay? 12 minus 2D is equal to what? A. This A value you substitute here, then you can find D. That means 106 is equal to, what is your A? A means 12 minus 2D. 12 minus 2D plus 49D is equal to, no, nothing is equal to 106 is here only. So this is 106. 12 as it is. 49 minus 2 is plus, because greater number is having plus sign, 47D. Transpose 106 minus 12 is equal to 47D. 6 minus 2 is 4. This is 9. So this is 0. That means 94. 104 plus 2, 106. Which is equal to 47D. Okay. 47 into 2. 94. Right? So here 47 ones are, 47 twos are. That means your D value is 2. You got the D value. put this d value here. Then find what is a. That means 12 minus 2 into 2 is equal to a. D is 2. 2 2s are 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. That means your d value is 8. Now you know, see, d also, sorry, what is this? A value, not d value. This is a value. A is 8 and this d is 2. Go for now A29. What is A29? Third step. A29 can be written as A plus 28d. I told you, one less. A29 is equal to A is how much? 8. 28d. That means it is 28 into d. A29 is equal to 8 plus 56. Check the answer. So this is 64. A29 is 64. That means 29th term of this AP, in which 50 terms are involved. Last term is 106, third term is 12, then 29th term is 64. Is the answer right? Okay, I'll rub this and go for 9th main. Okay, see here, this is what is 9th term. Sorry, 9th main. If the third and the 9th terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, that means third term is 4 and 9th term is minus 8. Which term of this AP is 0? That means there are certain sequence which are in AP, numerals which are in AP, out of which third is 4 and 9th is minus 8. Then even one of the term in the given AP is 0. Which is that? Whether is it a 10th one, is it a 20th one, is it a 11th one? We have to find that. Which term of this particular AP is 0? Understood? So this is what we have to find. That means we have to find what is n. So solution. What is given here? Third term. That is A3. A3 is how much? 4. And what is A9? A9 is minus 8. And what is this? 0. 0. We have to take 0 as an. An is 0. What to find? Find what is n. Which term is 0? Okay, now as I told you, to find d, use. I have given in the first video list of formulas. There are 3 formulas to find out d. The easiest one also I have told you. What is it? D is equal to AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. This is one formula, one of the formula. D is equal to, what is our AP? You can take this as AP. That means AP is 8 minus 8. AQ. What you can take AP is, any one of this you can consider as AP and the next one as AQ. Here AP is there. Okay, you take this as AP. This is our AP and this is our AQ. Right. So AP minus AQ means 4 minus of minus 8. See, this minus is here. And what is this minus? Because the 9th term is negative. So in the bracket minus 8 divided by what we have taken as AP? AP we have taken as 4. Then what is AP? Third term. That means P means third term, 3. And this is minus. What is Q? 9th term. Right. So this is what is D is equal to 4 minus into minus is plus 8 divided by 9 minus 3 is 6. And here greater number is having minus sign. That means this is minus 6. So which is equal to 12 divided by, I will send this minus to the numerator. Minus 12 by 6. 1s are 2s are. That means D value is minus 2. Within 2 steps you will get what is D value. Otherwise one more method, linear equation method, simultaneous linear equation, that you have to do. Example here, to find D, A3 is equal to, what is A3? a plus 2d. This is 4 is equal to a plus 2d. Rewrite it. A plus 2d is equal to 4. This is your 1. Similarly, this a plus, this is 9th term is 8d is equal to minus 8. This is equation 2. Using this, you can find solving this simultaneously linear equation, changing the sign. You know, no? Change the sign. A cancelled, minus 8 and plus 2 is minus 6d. This is plus and this is plus, it is 12. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So d minus d is equal to 2. Send this minus to that side. D is equal to minus 2. This is one method for find the d. This is another method to find d. This is an easiest method. Understood? Okay. So let it be. Now d we know. What next is needed? AN formula. To write AN, we must find out what is A first. Then use any one of the equation. This I am using it. That is A3 is equal to 4. A3 can be written as A plus 2D. This A3 is 4. A we don't know, 2. B we know that it is minus 2. Then 4 is equal to A plus into minus is minus 4. Don't cancel here. It is wrong. Send to this side. 4 plus 4 is equal to A. That means A is equal to 8. Understood? A we know and D we know. Now use the AN formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, because we have to find what is n. Understood? Okay, what is AN? AN is 0. Equated to 0 is equal to what is A? 8. What is n? We don't know. What is D? Minus 2. Right. So 8. N minus 1 we don't know. Minus into plus, that is minus 2n. Minus into minus is plus 2. This is 0. Now 8 plus 2 is 10. This 2n sent to this side. Plus 2n is equal to 10. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. That means n is 5. In the sense, which term of this given AP is 0? Fifth term. Fifth term of this given AP is 0. You can correlate or say verify. This one sum only will verify and show you. Verification. What is fifth term? You see A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A5 we must get 0. A is how much? 8. Plus 4 minus 2. D is minus 2. That means A5 is equal to 8 plus into minus minus 8. Cancel. What is this? A5 is 0. That means fifth term is 0. Did you follow? Is it clear to you all? Fine. What I do? I'll go for 10th one.